Hi there, I'm Matthias, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about Darkinvision, which is an upcoming program that we're working on, and it's not going to release in March as all the other programs we're planning on releasing, but this one is really worth waiting for. As always, it's a revolutionary software, and I'm going to explain a little bit about what it does. You see, I have a confession to make. I have a lot of mess on my desktop. Let's go ahead and view the desktop icons. Actually, I like to keep I have my desktop as an actual, temporary folder location for all of my mess, which may sound a little bit weird for you, but that's how I do things. I know a lot of people that also does this. I also know a lot of people that only has like 3 icons on their desktop. But even whether or not you have many or few icons on your desktop, Darkinvision is a program for you. And what I'm going to present for you today is just a development preview. It's not even alpha, and it's very extremely slow. That's something we're improving though, but yeah, I'll present it to you. So what this program basically does is that it replaces your desktop or your wallpaper with an application. And as you can see, I started up the program and now it's actually loaded. I can go ahead and select files like I normally would. Right now I'm really not holding down Shift or Control, which I maybe should be doing if I want to select several files, but it's stuff like that that we're still working on. We're trying to make this very user-friendly, and what we've been focusing on here is that you can have 3 main categories, headers as we call them over here, and you can create your own headers as well. And each header, now notice the slow loading time, I know that we're still working on it. Each header can then have folders in it. And every time you click a folder, you see that folder's contents. So not only is it perfectly categorized, it's also shown in a very cool way. See, I can see my old desktop here anyway. So that's what we're working on, a new way of organizing your things so that they look a lot better, and so that it's much easier to access your things more quickly. And this, right now I'm running the computer at a very low screen resolution. As if you run your computer with bigger resolution, you'll notice that you have a lot more space to use and so on, and it looks a lot better. And also, another thing that's good about this is that it hooks perfectly with Windows. If I click Show Desktop here, you'll notice that, the desktop shows, or the application shows, and nothing else. It is actually the desktop. It replaces your desktop temporarily. And if I go ahead and choose to exit it, you'll notice that my old desktop comes back. So it's a temporary hook. Nothing can happen. You won't get any nasty blue screens of death or anything like that. We're not messing with DLLs or drivers. It's it's entirely based on hooking. So, and packet sniffing and packet injection. Nothing dangerous at all. Anyway, this program is so cool because not only does it replace your desktop in a more beautiful way and organized way, since this is an application, we're able to add like more functionality than the normal desktop has. As an example, we could implement stuff like add-ons. We could have really advanced add-ons, such as, would you like Messenger contacts on your desktop? Well, no problem. Or maybe the last 5 emails that you received, or what the time is in a large display, or anything goes. And this is so customizable. We would like to get we would like to hear your feedback early on as a comment to this video or something, so we know what you expect from this program and what you would like it to do. Because this is your way, this is your chance to improve the wallpaper as you know it in Windows. But yeah, what I showed you is basically everything we've got so far. We've only worked on the program for about a month, and this is what we have so far. From here, it'll go a lot faster, and I will be continuing to post updates on it as soon as we add more content to the actual program. I do not have a release date yet, but if you guys show interest in this by adding a comment to this video and saying that it's cool, then we will definitely try to focus more on this program than compared to all the others. Yeah. I suppose that's all. Thank you.